What's up, everyone? This is your boy J Dub. We're gonna do an unboxing today, and today I'd like to thank Scott Baker. Scott Baker, if you're there, if you're watching this, appreciate you. This what we have here is Four Horsemen's Mythic Legions, Ashes of Agbendor. Yeah, Ashes of Agbendor. Okay, this is what they call the all-in set that we have right here. And we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh, see. Gotta have it. Okay. This up. All right. Okay. All right. This one. Okay. Well, it's all in sets. And okay. So we got the all in set right here. Let's see who we got. All right. Y'all gonna help me out with these names because I don't know their names that good, but I'm sure a lot of y'all who's watching this do know who they are. So this one, oh, this is a bad time for me not to have my glasses. God dog. As a spirit bender. As a spirit bender 2. Let's see. All right. This one. And this one, oh, he make a good custom. I think some good customs for him. Zoo? Exit? Yeah, I just showed them to y'all. How about this? How about that? See. Boom. Okay. So we got these two. Put them right here. Okay. Oh man, yeah, this one I really wanted. A gold demon. Yes. Because I love gold. So we put that over here too. So what else we got? Oh, Capacha. Yeah, I remember this one. This is Capacha. Okay. We got that one. Let's see. This one is Joseph. Hey, like the name Joseph. Of the Golden Spear. And he comes packed full of stuff. Got some big old wings over there. So yeah. All right. Okay, put that over here. Next up, we got a builder's pack, and this one is called the Blue Shield Knight. And this is all the accessories this one comes with, parts. So, if you don't know what this is that I have here today, this is called Mythic Legions. Mythic Legions toy line, they do mythical figures. But the one cool thing about them is like with a little bit of a, I don't know, a hair dryer or anything you can find, you can use that and warm up some of the joints, and like they come apart. They all come apart, and you can mix them with other, you know, Mythic Legion figures or Cosmic Legion figures. I also got a line called Cosmic Legion and Figure Obscura that and Infinite Legions that just came out this year. So you can just go ahead and mix these parts and make your own characters out of them. It's just, I'll call it pretty much a grown man's Legos, you know. So you can make your own characters out of them. You can do whatever you can with them. So this line's been going on since 2015, I think. Yeah, 2015, and I started collecting the line and everything, and I got really hooked on it. Just mostly on the interesting characters, but the imagination you can make from these parts and everything. That I'll probably show later on in another video of things that I made. So yes, as we continue, excuse me. Sorry, it was raining pretty bad out there, and it was cold, and I'm about to get sick. Maybe not. The Malignance of God Hollow. I'm sorry, guys. I ain't got my glasses on today, so I'm all like, looking at stuff now. So work with me here, okay? But look, 2 goblins. And with these, they have extra like arms and race pieces and everything. That way you can exchange them. You can make, alternate, goblins and everything with them. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I recommend y'all get into it if y'all need a little hobby. Okay, and this one we got here. Oh, it's a Frost Orc. Oh yeah, this one looks nice. This one looks nice. Okay. And last but not least, a Centaur. Okay, this one's the Shadow Centaur. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's open one of these figures, and just to show anybody who's new to Mythic Legions or don't know much about Mythic Legions, this is something that I'm gonna open up, and y'all can see what you can do with them. What are some of the possibilities you can do with them. So I think we're gonna open up today is this blue shield. This blue shield is probably the hot one out of the whole wave that people trying to get because. Don't tear it up. Okay, you can tear it up. Okay. Okay. Let's give you our little description. As you see, he comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 alternate heads that you can remove this head and paste those heads on them. So you can make like any type of knight you want to make with your own imagination by using these parts. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, and then plus he has an extra chest they can use, so you can change that up, or you can take this off. This is soft goods, so you can take this off and have the armor showing. That's it, Or you can just go ahead, take the whole thing off, and replace it with one of those, and put that on there too. I mean, you can do so much with these. So yeah, and then plus pauldrons, like shoulder armor. And it comes with a sword. You got pauldrons right here too. So look, that's the figure. That's the loincloth. That's the extra chest. These some pauldrons. These are the helmets. Boom. Oh yeah, and the sword. Gotta have a sword if you're a knight. Okay. These right here. Here's accessories. So you can go ahead. For example, go ahead and take that off. And then if you have like an extra, like knights or different kind that carries these shields, you can remove and place the shield, these things on there, and You can, like I said, you can make whatever you want to make with these things. I'm a grown man collector. So yeah, it comes with extra hands, as you see. Comes with a waist piece. This one comes with some more pauldrons. Remember I was telling you about the pauldrons earlier? About on your shoulders? Yeah, and then that loincloth. Cloth. No, armor loincloth too. So yeah, shoot. That was the hand. And this is a handle that he can use for a shield. It also comes with axe, knife, and another sword. And another, I got a bunch of these, but another belt that you can put around your figure. And a spear. See? So you can do some 300, Sparta, just throw something in there. Okay. Oh yeah, and chainmail for his neck. Yeah, you got a lot. Oh man. Put this, like for example, see this piece right here? See this piece right here? All right. I'm slowly doing it. I want to tear the whole thing out. I got work with me here. This is my first unboxing. See, put this right here. Put that down. You see this piece that I held up earlier? Connect it. Oh, shoot. Boom. Got your little flamingo. Flamingo head. Another example. See helmets like this, particular helmets like this. Boom. The little ears I was showing y'all earlier. I don't think I did show y'all. Maybe I did. You take like something like this, and then boom, got you another helmet. Like I said, you take this helmet, and just pop this head off. See how easy that was? Didn't break nothing. Put that on there. Boom. See? Or you can take these arms apart. See how easy it was? Some of the smaller bodies, you're gonna have to use a hair dryer or something warm to help remove it, but usually the bigger bodies like this, pretty much easy. Take the other arm apart. Here. Yeah. Took his chest apart. So all you got left is these legs. Okay, take the waist belt up apart. Sorry. You take this off. Take that loincloth off too, the armor one. I was showing y'all earlier. Those pieces right there. See them pieces right there? Put that on there. Boom. Put a new belt waist on him. And put that on there. I'm gonna take the chest out, the extra chest we came with. I'm just gonna leave a mark. Put it on here. Okay. Bada bing. Oh shit. Okay. Sometimes you might need a hair dryer because I think. Okay, there we go. Okay, put the arms on there. Other arm. They got kind of. Okay. All right. It's kind of on there. Boom. See that? Okay, well, I'll do that. So this one, you take the neck piece off. Or, no. Okay. See? Okay. Put the neck piece into the chest. Really easy like that. All right, remember the head that we did? Oh, shit, go. Let me change this out. Let's put these little bat ears on them. Let me show y'all. Let me put this on there. Batman Knight or something. All right. Boom. Or better yet, I'm gonna put the neck piece, the chain neck in there. You put that in here too, and it fits in right here. So let me show y'all. Put this part in there. Clip in. Boom. Good. Nice. Put the head back on there. Okay. So you want to change this, put some armor on the shoulders, correct? So just come over here. Got these two shoulder pauldrons. Oh, shoot. And then all you do is put this part of it. That part, you put that, insert that into the two back holes right here on his chest. I know there's probably some Mythic Legion collectors. They're like, we already know that, Jay. Come on, but show us some more figures. Yeah, that's it. That's all I'm gonna show you. And so, boom. See? You make some look completely different, huh? See how easy it is? Well, and plus, you can do this with all the other pieces and parts you got here too. So it's like, the imagination of it is just like, it's unlimited, I mean, if you grew up playing with Legos and whatever, blocks and all that stuff, and you make cool little creatures and spaceships and houses and stuff like that. This line is pretty much similar to that, but it also has their own story going on, their own characters going on. So you can follow that story too and learn these characters, and it just goes on and on and on and on. But yeah, that's the Mythic Legion figures that I got for today. Like I said, I want to thank you to Scott Baker, who hooked me up. And thank you to Four Horsemen and, you know, the guys with their Four Horsemen Studios. Y'all doing a great job. Keep it up. Just stop pumping out to me, because come on, you know, people can go broke. But this one definitely got opened up. Nice one. But yeah, it's a pretty cool line if you're into it. You know, nice little hobby. So you can stay home, mess around the table, you know, just chill and hang out. But or just go hang out with your friends and they're into it, and then y'all can build your own stuff. Be like some, you know, middle-aged men up there just putting pieces together, like, cool, and all that stuff. Exactly. So yeah, all right, guys. Thank you for checking out my video. I appreciate y'all, you know, checking out all my other videos on here and everything. And like I said, you can follow me on YouTube, J_Dub, D-U-B. That's my YouTube channel. And also you can check me out on Instagram. Instagram, I'm, God dog, I got like so many 3,000 names, but J_Dub0921. You can check me out over there too on Instagram. I just barely started doing this stuff, so, well, not collecting, but, you know, reviews and everything. I'll continue doing more in the future. You know what? I might actually do a review on this gold skeleton here. I mean, if you're one of the people that have been collecting a line since day one, I mean, you already know. Put it like that, you already know. All right, guys. Appreciate you watching my video. I will see y'all soon in the next video. Y'all take care. Have a blessed day. Peace.